Hi, this is Vishnu from Techno Tackle Software Solutions.
Welcome to Techno Tackle Software Solutions, where innovation meets efficiency, and challenges are just opportunities waiting to be seized. No bugs will escape our scrutiny. We're the guardians of quality, ensuring seamless performance for our users. At Techno Tackle Software Solutions, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're here to provide expert assistance and resolve any concerns you may have. We're not just a software company, we're a team of problem solvers, dreamers, and innovators. Together, there's no challenge we can't tackle. Techno Tackle Software Solutions, where every line of code is a step towards a brighter, more efficient future.